Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Millionaire Club. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting ways to boost your income, Facebook marketing. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know from setting up a killer Facebook business page, engaging your audience, and utilizing Facebook ads to leveraging marketplace, shops, and groups. Plus, we'll explore ways to implement paid memberships, collaborate with influencers, and even dive into affiliate marketing. So, if you're ready to turn Facebook into your personal cash machine and join the ranks of digital millionaires, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. In today's digital age, Facebook remains one of the most potent platforms for marketing. With over 2.9 billion monthly active users, it offers a massive audience for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner, understanding how to leverage Facebook for profit can significantly boost your revenue. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to earn money through Facebook marketing. 1. Create a business page. Your first step is to set up a Facebook business page. This is different from a personal profile and provides tools and insights specifically for businesses. To create a page, go to Facebook's Create a Page section and choose a business category. Add relevant details like your business name, contact information, and a profile and cover photo that represent your brand. Fill out your About section with keywords related to your business to enhance discoverability. 2. Build and engage your audience. With your page set up, it's time to attract followers and engage with them. Here's how. Post regularly, share valuable content, including blog posts, industry news, tips, and updates. Use a mix of text, images, videos, and links. Engage with followers, respond to comments and messages promptly. Engage in conversations and encourage feedback. Run contests and giveaways, these can increase engagement and attract new followers. 3. Use Facebook ads. Facebook ads are a powerful tool to reach a targeted audience and drive sales. To get started, set up your ad account, go to Facebook Ads Manager and create an account. Define your objective. Choose from objectives like brand awareness, traffic, engagement, lead generation, or conversions. Target your audience. Use Facebook's targeting options to reach users based on demographics, interests, and behavior. Create compelling ads, design eye-catching visuals, and write persuasive copy. Include a clear call to action, CTA. 4. Leverage Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is an excellent platform for selling products directly. To make the most of it, list your products, create detailed listings with high-quality photos and descriptions. Promote your listings, share your marketplace posts on your business page to reach more people. Engage with buyers, respond to inquiries quickly and provide excellent customer service. 5. Implement Facebook Shop. For a more integrated shopping experience, set up a Facebook shop. Set up your shop, go to Facebook's Commerce Manager and follow the steps to create your shop. Add products. List your products, including images, descriptions, and prices. Promote your shop. Share your shop on your page and run ads to drive traffic. 6. Utilize Facebook groups. Facebook groups can be a goldmine for building a community around your brand. Join relevant groups, participate in groups related to your industry, and contribute valuable insights. Create your own group, build a community around your brand where you can engage directly with your audience. 7. Offer paid memberships or subscriptions. If you have valuable content or services, consider offering memberships or subscriptions. Create exclusive content, offer premium content or services in exchange for a subscription fee. Promote your membership, use your page, ads, and groups to market your membership options. 8. Analyze and optimize. Regularly track your performance to understand what works and what doesn't. Use Facebook Insights, analyze metrics like engagement, reach, and demographics to gauge the effectiveness of your posts and ads. Adjust your strategy based on your insights, tweak your content, targeting, and advertising strategies to improve results. 9. Collaborate with influencers. Partnering with influencers can boost your reach and credibility. Identify relevant influencers. Look for influencers in your niche who have a significant following. Propose collaborations. Reach out to them with partnership proposals, such as sponsored posts or product reviews. 10. Explore Facebook affiliate marketing. You can also earn through affiliate marketing on Facebook. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. Share affiliate links. Post content with affiliate links on your page and in relevant groups. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Digital Millionaire Club for more valuable insights and strategies to grow your digital empire. Money with Wings. Got any questions or specific topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling and stay amazing.